Welcome to bird photography in the city. Look at that. So right now I'm using the Zf Nikon and 20 to 400 millimeter Nikon full frame lens. So right now it's in a crop mode because that bird is about 25 away from this camera. So it's too small. Look at that. It's a sperling bird actually. So I have to use the crop mode so I can be able to have a total of 600 millimeter focal length. So that's the Sperling bird. Yeah, I'm using my Samsung S24 mobile phone to capture this. It even was able to reach this far. It's like my cell phone is even better in reaching this the bird.